Hi. This weekend is really different for us.
Yeah.
We have just arrived at the Southwest Motorhome and Campervan Show in Shepton Mallet.
Yeah, I'm so excited. It's rammed, as busy as you like.
It is. I think we're on like the last field where you can put motorhomes. So we've all just set up. We haven't had to level up.
No jogs.
No jogs. It's pretty good. So now we are going to head
to the beer tent. No, to the food tent. No. To the entertainment.
Can't take them anywhere. So we're going to head up here because this is apparently where it's all happening. And we're going to see if we can see anybody we know. See if we can find some food. Yes, food. Because what time is it?
Beer o'clock. Is it not beer o'clock?
It's obsessed.
Hold on.
Obsessed.
20 to 8.
Oh, it's 20 to 8. So we need to have something to eat because we're hungry. Yeah. So let's go see what we can find. I don't know if you can hear this, but he just said, are we going to stay and listen to the Eagles? And I asked him what music they sang. What did they sing?
Soaring from the clouds,
Yeah.
looking down from the trees.
Yeah.
If I was a salmon, look out.
Do you actually know any of their songs?
Hey?
Do you actually know any of their
Yeah,
songs?
spread eagled on the sofa.
Morning, folks.
Hello.
We're on the way in. So this is what it looks like.
Motorhomes everywhere.
Yeah, so it looks busy and the weather's holding, it's dry and we're excited.
And last night when we got here, we said we were hungry, so we went in search of food. We ended up in the Thatcher's Bar and Restaurant.
Yeah.
And had some cold sausages and chips. And then we went into the entertainment venue, didn't we?
Yeah.
Which is quite good.
Yeah.
So, but we thought it was outside, so we dressed up for winter.
Yeah.
And it was inside. Well, there you go. So yeah, so we're heading on in now. See
We'll
what there is.
catch up with you later on.
Yeah.
So I've got one son that's got this West Country accent. My other son's
All right. This video in your van, you don't mind, do you?
No.
We think it's cute for our daughter, she'll love it.
Yeah. And daughter's from Yorkshire.
Look at that there, there's like a little hole there and it's got the umbrella in it.
Well, it smells nice in here.
And
Place for Kyra's trainers, look.
yeah.
Yes, there you go, Kyra. This is for you.
Do you know, I've got a good friend.
Pop up roof, look. We'll pick up a couple.
We're going to go and find out about the Motor Caravanners Club. This club is for motorhomes and campervans, and it arranges rallies across the UK and sometimes abroad. It cost us £35 to join at the show. We got a rucksack when we joined the Motor Caravanners Club, and it's full of lots of things. Window stickers and a badge, and I think there's a handbook, so let's have a look a minute. Okay, so the club actually has some CLs that you can stay in, but they've also got recommended night stops and friendly park ups, so they're all listed in this book. They've got also the information of all the area groups and their details, so then you can find out what rallies are on. So we'll be having a good look at that. There's our badge. Where's the window sticker? Oh yeah, so it's got to go in the window. Very exciting! Got a huge garage. This would be great for our bikes. It would be great for the bikes.
This is only a 2-berth, isn't it? It's not,
Yeah.
it's got 4 seats, travel seats, but it's only 2 berths,
Okay.
I think.
Never heard of this make though.
I think
Winesburg.
it's on a Fiat
Winesburg.
Cato chassis. Loads of storage. I've got a microwave, but we only use microwave occasionally. It's nice to have microwave. But this is brand new, yeah?
Yeah. Where's the table?
There has to be a waiting time for this. The table fits there.
So Mark's eyeing up a new van. I'm not sure I'm in a total agreement with him.
Table must be in the back.
But it's got a massive garage, isn't it? Look, look, you can put things in here, look. Woo! Oh, that goes through to the garage, look.
It's got a sliding sink, Amanda. Sink slides, which is really clever.
Oh, what? Let me show me. Show me.
You see on the rail that the sink slides away from the toilet.
Because I said you can't use the toilet because the... Oh.
So that slides is really smart.
Yeah. I like the fridge, it's big. What's this? More cupboards. Oh.
I want it. I don't know how long you have to wait for it. It takes like 12 months to arrive.
Yeah. That would be really good for the garage, wouldn't it?
Get our bikes in there.
It would. Right, let's go and have another look around. Oh, that's a small one.
That's big enough.
Oh, that is big enough. We've had a lovely day at the show, haven't we?
Yeah.
Seen lots of things. We haven't bought anything, so that's good, isn't it?
We have inquired into a couple of vans though.
No!
We have.
No!
We have to see how much our vans are worth and how much they give us for our vans.
Anyway, we've done that and we've met some fellow Instagrammers and we've met some fellow YouTubers, and we just want to say thank you to @What's Occurring for their hospitality, because I'm now a little bit tipsy. And I've come back to cook chili. It's nearly 7 o'clock and you need to get into the entertainment at like, well, the doors open at 7:30. Is it 7:30? I think the Phil Collins tribute thing is 8 o'clock. So hopefully we'll get there then and we'll get a table, because it was really busy there last night. But yeah, so better get on cooking on gas, cooking the tea. This is a site plan of the Bath and West showground, which is where we've stayed for the Southwest Motorhome and Campervan Show, and we are in pre-booked general. We were like one of the last people to arrive on Friday night, so this is where we were parked. If you're part of a club, you get to park up in the yellow section. So we've just joined the Motorhome Caravanners Club, so another time we'll be able to park with them. And this is where all the exhibitions are, all the stalls, and this is the pavilion where the entertainment was. Quite a big site. We were at the show. In between looking around at everything, we actually went to some of these seminars, and we went and saw Lola and John talk about Spain's hidden coasts and beaches, which was really interesting. And we've actually got their book so that when we get there next year we might be able to go and check out some of the beaches they went to. And we also went and saw Catbird of Wandering Bird Adventures, who talked about camping off grid, etc, etc. So that was really interesting as well. Who's good? And there's Lola and John. So that was really good. They were very interesting. Hello.
Hello. Are you ready?
Yeah, I am. What I like. So you go through the door to the bathroom, which is really clever, isn't it? To the bathroom. That's a nice bathroom, isn't it? And that's a nice shower. Look how big that shower is.
Got little spotlights everywhere. So
Hang on, look.
they've got USB chargers there.
That's a huge shower.
They dim and watch. And they dim when you turn them off. It's got USB chargers and a 3-pin plug there. And here.
Yeah. Single beds, babe.
No, we've got this middle bit here though, for hand holding.
The hand holding. I like the bathroom.
This little drawer for your
Yeah, and then these little things here, look. Cupboard, little. And there's one below you stood on.
I've got one as well.
Yeah, and you stood on another cupboard. And actually, that's got doors as well.
Got storage either side here. Look. Oh wow, that's got hanging space for your wardrobe, babe.
Oh, that's a lot of hanging space.
And you can put 2 3/4 length dresses in there. On this side, look.
Yeah.
That's all your pumps are as well.
Yeah.
So that would be yours.
Yeah.
Good for hanging your dresses in there. And this would be mine.
And then there's something under there as well. Ow!
Yeah.
And then you can shut that off somehow. Oh, don't force it.
No.
Nice. Like this one. So we've been for another little walk around the show.
Yeah.
Exhibition area in more vans.
Yeah.
Some very nice ones.
Nearly talked each other into buying one.
No, you didn't nearly talk me
Not
into
you?
buying. No, you didn't.
I'm going to talk myself into buying another one then.
Yeah, but we've had some very nice spicy food, haven't we?
Yeah.
That's very nice, and we've got some baklava to have later on. But we did spend a little bit of money, not thousands. What we bought?
A Garmin Tourer 3 sat-nav, 7-inch one with all the settings for putting in the side of your vehicle to get.
Yeah. So we'll give that a little bit of play, and then we'll show you what we think about that, won't we?
So it saves us driving down those roads that are too small.
Yeah.
You know. So.
We got on all right when we were in the Pyrenees, didn't we? But we just thought for extra.
But we were a bit concerned
about some things.
Yeah, so just I take some of the worry away.
Yeah.
Really.
So we'll do a little review on that, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what else did we buy? Oh, he's just bought a bottle of rum.
Yeah. Get it out. Let me show you it. It's only a little bottle. It's a honey one. Rum and it's not rum and caramel.
Rum and caramel from a company just up the road in Bath. So that's quite nice. Beckford's. We might do a review on that.
Well, if we can speak it after we've drunk it. But you don't drink rum, do you?
No, I don't drink rum. But anyway, so we've had a lovely time. We are leaving now. It's sort of mid-afternoon, and We are popping over to see our son, who has moved yesterday from Cornwall up to near Bristol. So that's what we're going to do. Anyway, we hope you had a good time following us around the little show here.
Yeah.
We've had a lovely time.
Yeah.
Met lots of people.
Yeah.
Good entertainment. And we will see you next time.
And a big shout out to What's Occurring.
At What's Occurring.
And who else did we see?
At the Travelling Taffs.
Yes, and
at
Live
Bird Adventures 2020.
Yeah, they're awesome. And of course, I met the Rolling Rucks, isn't it?
You met the Rolling Rucks.
Yeah.
I haven't met the Rolling
And it's like
Rucks.
we've known each other all our lives.
Oh, the Travelling Taffs are in our neighbours, and they're oh, have they got their drone out? We're going. Say bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. So the Southwest Motorhome and Campervan Show was like one of quite a few that they had throughout the year. These are all the dates for next year. So probably sign up for that one again. And that one could be quite interesting. This one's sort of like country and western themed. So they have like country music and stuff. I think it cost £67 to come to the show, which included 3 nights camping. We actually left a day early because we had to be back at work on Monday, and we didn't realise that there was like entertainment on the Friday night and the Sunday night. So if we go again, we'll probably try and stay for the whole weekend. But yes, it was about 67, and then on the Saturday night we paid an extra £10 per person to go in. So yeah, £87 altogether then. That wasn't too bad.